This throttle body is a bolt-on and go part, so basically you do not need a tune.
Way better.
Sheesh. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So we're actually gonna go ahead and hear the first cold start with the new exhaust, the Roush ones. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and definitely check that out.
All I can say is it better be louder than the blower over there that they're using to do the yard work.
Man, this thing is crazy loud. I don't even know if you can hear me. So as you read on the title of the video, we're gonna go ahead and be improving the airflow. We have the Shelby GT500 right here. Go ahead and pop the hood. And we're rocking the VMP GEN 3R if you guys do not know that. But this is what we're talking about. Look at that little throttle body. Also, look how dirty this thing is. There's like 5 bees in there. I actually went through a swarm of bees, which is pretty insane. But we're gonna go ahead and clean that air filter up, make it look nice and good, let the air flow through it again, as well as upgrade that throttle body so we can get a little bit more power out of this car and just the efficiency out of it, because it is crazy to see this 123mm JLT intake go into that small little throttle body with the gasket even showing. Luckily there's no leaks, it holds, but we definitely got an upgrade right here, so we'll go ahead and open that up. So I'm gonna try to talk a little bit louder since they have the yard work going on out there. So here it is, we have the 69mm twin jet from VMP. We're gonna go ahead and install this. It's gonna go ahead and look really, really good right there, replacing that small one like I said. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and just remove this little 8mm right here, loosen it up so we can just pull off the filter itself, because we're gonna go ahead and clean this one up. Go ahead and just unplug pretty much everything to the intake itself. That way I can go ahead and just take it off through here. Just take off another 2 8s up there, or actually technically just 1 8. There you go. And just unplug this bad boy. And we don't need to actually, just move it out of the way. And now we're left with the throttle body right here, so we go ahead and just remove it. Go ahead and unplug the sensor right here, as well as I believe this sensor back here. And it's just the 4 bolts after that. All right, so this is the first 8mm right here that we just took off. Always like to use a magnet so we don't drop any of those bolts. There we go. And that should be it. So the good thing about this throttle body is it comes with everything you need to do. Pretty much it's a plug and play. Also, it uses the exact same throttle body data pretty much that you would already have done, so you actually don't need to get it retuned for it, so you can just throw it on and pretty much have some fun with it. So here we go ahead and see the kind of the comparison. Definitely a lot bigger over here with the new one. So with that put in, we're gonna go ahead and just put the tube back on, plug everything back in. So go ahead and clean up this dirty filter. Can't wait to see how dirty it actually is. If you guys haven't, I'm not even gonna really go through it too much, but it's really, really simple. You just apply the cleaner, rinse it off, and then just pretty much let it air dry. And then you can go ahead and throw on some oil. If yours is oiled, some filters are not, go ahead and double check that. But this one is oiled, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. All right, so just gonna go ahead and just spray this up with the cleaner and let it pretty much soak in. Oh, dude, no. Probably shouldn't do this towards the wind. Flip that over there, because now it's all over the GoPro. All right, something I didn't do is you should probably wear gloves. I just didn't because honestly, I get degreaser on my hands all the time, but definitely wear gloves. Oh, dude, I just sprayed the GoPro. They're robbing me power, baby. Dude, this is bad. Man, you can definitely see all the stuff still in there though. I'm trying to get these bees out, all this grass. But man, it's actually starting to look like red again. That's the good part. Alrighty, so now that's all dried up. It's been out here in this hot California sun. We're gonna go ahead and apply some of the oil. So again, make sure yours requires oil. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. So next day here, this is the part where I'm gonna go ahead and say, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and consider subscribing. It would help out a lot because we just got back from Ford, had to go buy another sensor. But again, this is the part I don't like, honestly, because this was like 200 bucks, over $200 at the dealership. Luckily I got a discount, but still $200 is quite a bit for a part to just make the car run. And as you can see, we're back at the stock throttle body because I wanted to make sure it wasn't the throttle body having an issue. So this is a new sensor. We're gonna go ahead and just slide it in. Go ahead and plug it back in. And let's just hope this was the issue. All right, so it's pretty windy out here. I'm sorry if there's wind noise, but you go ahead and see right here, we finally have everything all situated. We have the 69mm throttle body all good to go right here. The gasket was giving us a little bit of an issue. Again, you guys obviously saw all the issues we did have, but I am very happy to say that everything is running a-okay now. We're gonna go ahead and do some pulls to end this video. And I'm not sure if I mentioned in the beginning of the video, but I'll go ahead and mention again, this throttle body is a bolt-on and go part. So basically you do not need a tune. Use the exact same data, the throttle body data that the OEM one uses. So it should, again, just throw it on and go pretty much, but we did have some issues. Not VMP's fault at all. It was pretty much just stuff that happened. I will say right now, I did have to cut down a little bit right here on the Gen 3R to make it fit properly. It was rubbing against that, which was causing this not to seal right. I did that off camera, but I did have to chip away a little bit right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the first pull with the new throttle body on here. Go ahead and do a 60. Woo, baby! No traction. And we got the 17B locks on here, baby, man. But I think it's safe to say that throttle body definitely gave it a little bit more power. Alright, let's go ahead and try to give it another shot.
Woo! Way better!
Alrighty, so the Shelby's behind me. That's gonna go ahead and be the end of this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. I honestly have no idea how this played out because it honestly took a few days to get everything situated. So that being said, again, I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It will help out a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.